Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to enable two-factor authentication on Discord, all you got to do is simply open your Discord. Once you're in your Discord, you need to go and tap on your profile. After you're on your profile, you need to simply go and open your user setting, that is the gear-like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Now, you need to simply scroll down below and go to Accounts. Once you're here, you need to simply tap on Enable Authenticator app. After this, you need to hit the next button and then tap on the next button again. Now, you will get a QR code on your app. Scan the QR code with an app like Google Authenticator or Authy and enter the 6-digit code and save up the backup codes for security. So by this way, you can simply enable two-factor authentication on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.